Embrace the easy, breezy Florida lifestyle in this charming condo at South River, a vibrant 55 and older community offering a fulfilling and active adult lifestyle. This inviting one-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom unit at 151 Southwest South River Drive number 203 offers a light-filled, open living space, ideal for relaxed living. For added convenience, this unit also includes a washer and dryer. South River's gated community provides exceptional amenities, including a private boat ramp offering direct access to the Atlantic Ocean. Explore the best fishing that makes Stuart the sailfish capital of the world. Enjoy a clubhouse for social gatherings, and sports courts for tennis, pickleball, and shuffleboard, creating countless opportunities for fun and engagement. Plus, there's a golf chipping range to hone your skills, and convenient private boat storage within South River for your maritime adventures. Cool off in the community pool or stroll through the peaceful neighborhood. Golf lovers will appreciate the many courses within 10 miles. Located in Stuart, you're never far from fantastic shopping, dining, and the pristine Treasure Coast beaches. Your ideal Florida retreat awaits.